Hey, if you suddenly notice that an app icon is missing from your Android home screen, don't worry, it doesn't mean the app is deleted. In most cases, it's just moved, hidden, or removed from the home screen layout. You can easily bring it back by following a few simple steps. First, swipe left or right across your home screen pages. Android phones usually have multiple home screens, and your missing app might have been moved to another page by accident. If you still don't see it, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app drawer. This is where all installed apps are stored, even if they are not shown on the home screen. Once the app list appears, look carefully or use the search bar at the top. Type the name of the missing app so you can quickly locate it without scrolling through everything. When you find the app, press and hold the icon. A small menu will appear and you can either tap Add to Home or simply drag the app icon back to your home screen. Place it wherever you prefer for easy access. If the app still does not show up, it might be hidden. To check this, long press on an empty space on your home screen until the settings menu appears. Tap on home screen settings and look for an option like Hide Apps or Hidden Apps. If the app is listed there, unhide it by removing the selection. Finally, go back to the app drawer and search again to confirm everything is fixed. Once you add it back, your missing app icon will reappear on your home screen and be ready to use just like before.